Hey everybody, it's Isaac. We're going to talk about what you should have in your DIY toolkit. Based on our experience, we put together this toolkit that should help you tackle any problem that you come across in your DIY journey. So to start off with, the core tools that you're going to need for most of your projects are going to be a measuring device, such as a ruler or a tape measure, cutting devices, so scissors, thread snips, and seam ripper. Next is going to be marking devices. In addition to our core items, we have a few key tools that we also like to have. The first of those being a lighter, great for any loose threads or raw edges. Next we have a bodkin, really useful for when you're putting your drawstrings or anything like that through a sewn channel. Next is a pair of tweezers, everything from threading my machine to picking up threads. Finally, we love to use wonder clips. Wonder clips are the way to go because you can just pin things together without putting holes through the fabric. These tools are a great place to start. We would love to hear what your favorite sewing tool is, so make sure you comment below.